So here we go guys, September 2025, and it's the last bike night at Triumph Hinckley factory. I'm just sort of go around these roadworks, still doing the roadworks. It's forecast rain, 80% of chance of rain. We're not going to let that dampen our spirits, are we? We're going to just come anyway and put some wet weather gear on. Especially when you're a winner from one of the bike night themes. I was one of the 3 people that won the bike nights for Touring Adventure. 3 of us, so I think the winners are going to be parking up on the promenade somewhere. Not sure. Where's Karen to tell us where we need to go? I wonder if we drive down. Yeah, so he's telling me to go down. That's quite cool, isn't it? Never been down the central promenade before as a bike winner. How's that? You're not going to do that very often, are you? I feel a little bit of a traitor coming to Triumph on a GS as well, because it's the Triumph Tiger's nemesis. All right, thank you.
I'm guessing you're one of the previous winners, weren't you?
No.
No?
I thought it was parking here.
Oh no, this is the
Yeah, well. Do you want to see my lanyard?
You've got to have your lanyard.
Oh right, okay.
I do recognise it.
Triumph Legend 56. Look at that, beautiful. And I'm parked up next to a BSA Metzler sticker on the side. Try BSA. Beautiful.
So if you want popping your helmet on, I'll keep hold of these a sec. Yeah. And then if you want it, you can bring it down so you can take it up. If you want it, you'll have to get it up here. Yeah. If not, round the top. Is that alright? So don't risk your...
You do a wheelie up the curb.
Don't risk your bike is all I'm saying.
So that's one of the Sport Nakeds. This chap's just got one of the awards and they've asked him to take it on to the forecourt.
Yeah, oh I see, yeah. But I handed them my passport, and my passport was very grotty by then. It was very grotty.
Suits you. Yeah. Yeah. Asking for the keys.
More reliable than the Douglas.
Barbecued pulled pork. Bargain.
With Texan barbecue sauce. So make sure you help yourself to the remoulade, which...
Every time I see him, it's like something.
Oh.
Sorry, come on over here, please. This way, with a smile. Go.
Do you want a sensible one or a daft one?
Well, they're always funny, aren't they?
It's like when
Got such a tour ticket in there as Meriton owners, where are we? Here we go. So, yeah, I'm going to stand this side of the bike, I think. You've got easy. Try and get the bike in as well. There we go. Congratulations. Visit. And there we go. You can look at the camera. Can you both look at me? Thank you so much. Thank you. There we go. Congratulations.
Well, mate, thank you.
Well done, mate, yeah. Better than fourth place, isn't it?
I bet you wish you had a penny now, you better take it home.
Wow. So let's have a look.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
And you got a free tour of the factory experience tour.
Yeah.
That's good. Good experience that is.
Yeah, I've not done it, so
I knew you'd win something. I forecasted you'd win
Buying a
something.
Triumph,
maybe. Where's the sunshine?
Well, I'll do one coming down.
Congratulations for all being winners and everybody coming out tonight in this lovely, lovely evening.
Sorry, you've been upstaged.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind actually. I didn't. I'm just glad to park my bike on here. Are you?
Yeah.
It's great. Have you got far to go?
Going to Solihull for about an hour.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Take your time. Rev it then.
Not like these kids when they go to
See you, buddy. See ya. Well, I'm shooting off. It's been a little bit of a damp bike night for September, the last one for Triumph this year. It was a pleasure to park up on the main entrance though, just outside the entrance, as part of the people that won the themed bike nights throughout the year. This is the winner here, obviously. But I would probably say there's about a quarter of people turned up compared to a normal bike night, just purely because of the weather, understandably so. But I'm going to shoot off